Why is it that plantar fasciitis takes so dang long to heal? I'm Dr. AJ Ludlow with Stronglife Physiotherapy, and I'm going to tell you why plantar fasciitis is so difficult to heal. There are actually a lot of reasons, but this video covers what I think is the main reason, and everyone gets this wrong. It drives me crazy because you hear this everywhere, in articles all over the internet from doctors and physical therapists. These people mean well and are trying to help, but they are spreading false information. And so what do people do? They go on thinking they know what's going on with their plantar fasciitis, and they go and do the wrong things to try and fix it. And if they're doing the wrong things to try and fix their plantar fasciitis, guess what? It's not going to work. This is one of the reasons why plantar fasciitis lasts so long. It's kind of like breaking your legs and trying to fix them with Band-Aids. You need to take a different approach. So what is it that people are getting wrong? You'll hear all over the internet and even from your doctor that plantar fasciitis is caused by inflammation. This is false. It's a myth. It's fake news. So a lot of what they tell you to do has to do with getting rid of inflammation. It's based off of old assumptions that have been proven wrong in the research. When scientists check for inflammation in the tissues, they don't find any. There's probably some inflammation in the first few days of plantar fasciitis, but that eventually goes away. So when you have pain from plantar fasciitis 3 or 6 or 12 months later, you're not going to see inflammation. What they are seeing when they're analyzing the tissue of people with plantar fasciitis is degeneration. The plantar fascia is actually breaking down and is having a difficult time healing. They're seeing micro tears. These are little tiny tears. It's kind of like when you stretch an old rubber band and you see all those tiny little breaks or cracks in the band. Luckily, our body is more sophisticated than a rubber band. Our body can heal itself, but we need the right information so we can help the body heal, because sometimes that's just what it needs, is a little extra help. I do recommend that you spend your time and money on things that actually help plantar fasciitis heal, like the stretches and exercises I teach in my other videos and in the Heal Strong system.